Welcome back, viewers. Amid reports of former Jharkhand Chief Minister Champai Soren joining the BJP, speculation over the last few days, of which we have confirmation as well, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has made a startling accusation. He claims that Champai Soren was spied on and tracked by the Jharkhand police during his recent visit to Delhi. Listen in to Himanta Biswa Sarma.
पहले चंपाई सोरेन जी दिल्ली गए थे आज से एक सप्ताह पहले और उन्होंने दिल्ली में 3 दिन बिताया था। फिर दोबारा 26 तारीख को कलकत्ता होते हुए वो दिल्ली गए थे। कल पता चला कि दोनों बार जो वो दिल्ली गए थे दोनों बार उसको झारखंड का एसबी उनको फॉलो किए थे। स्पेशल ब्रांच झारखंड पुलिस उनको फॉलो किए थे। जब दोनों फोटो खींच रहे थे तो दोनों को चंपाई सोरेन जी का जो साथी थे दोनों लोगों ने पकड़ा और दिल्ली पुलिस को हैंड ओवर किया।
संघर्षशील व्यक्ति हूँ और संघर्ष करने वाला आदमी के पीछे में बहुत जासूसी भी होता है, लेकिन उससे हमको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला। लेकिन हम हर समय संघर्ष के समय सावधानी के साथ चलते हैं और अभी भी जिस दल में बड़ा दल में हम सदस्य लेने जा रहा है, दल का जो नियम है, दल का जो हमको काम देंगे उसी अनुसार हम काम करते हैं।
Mohit Bhatt joins us now. Mohit, take us through what Himanta Biswa Sarma's allegations are. He is, of course, extremely involved in Champai Soren, who is set to join the BJP. Just take us through what the Assam Chief Minister has been saying.
Well, you see, Himanta Biswa Sarma is the Chief Minister of Assam and also the election in charge for the BJP in Jharkhand. And as we have been saying this from past 2 to 3 weeks, the role of Himanta Biswa Sarma was very, very important in bringing Champai Soren to the fold of the BJP. Now, when Champai Soren reached Delhi a few days ago, Himanta Biswa Sarma also came back to Delhi, and in the evening he met Home Minister Amit Shah. He took Champai Soren with me and he basically announced that Champai Soren will be joining the BJP on 30th of this month, that is tomorrow, in Ranchi. Now, he has made some serious allegations against the state administration and in fact the government of Jharkhand. He basically says when Champai Soren came to Delhi a few days ago, 2 officers from the special branch of the Jharkhand police were following him, were snooping on him. Now, they were caught by a close date of Champai Soren, and then the further process went on. But this is a serious allegation where Himanta Biswa Sarma has leveled allegation against the Jharkhand government, saying that Champai Soren, a senior tribal leader, one of the senior most tribal leader, in fact, of the JMM, is being snooped upon. So they have raised their apprehension. Champai Soren, in response to this, have clearly stated that it doesn't matter to him if people are snooping him or
Mohit,
not.
do hold on to that train of thought.